This is a video documentation of stingless bees swarming near a hive. When stingless bees fly around in a swarm, there are several possible activities they might be engaged in. Exploration. The swarm could be exploring new foraging areas, or potential sites for a new hive. Stingless bees are known to scout out locations before relocating their colony. Mating flight. Male stingless bees often gather in swarms to mate with virgin queens. These mating flights typically occur near the nest and involve large numbers of bees. Colony division. Swarming can also be a precursor to colony division. When a stingless bee colony becomes overcrowded, a portion of the workers and a new queen may leave the nest to establish a new colony elsewhere. Thermoregulation. In hot weather, stingless bees may gather outside the hive to regulate the temperature inside. By fanning their wings and creating airflow, they can help cool the hive. Orientation flights. Young worker bees sometimes undertake orientation flights outside the hive to familiarize themselves with the surroundings and learn the location of the hive entrance. Overall, swarming behavior in stingless bees can serve various purposes related to reproduction, exploration, and maintaining colony health. Thank you for watching our video until the end. See you again in the next video. Help us by liking this video and subscribing to our channel.